Hey guys, today we have this 2020 Ford F-150. Customer said might be a key problem because when you turn on the car, see, nothing. See, there's nothing. Or let's see what's going on with this truck, and um, maybe it's not the key, but let's check it out. So first thing we need to do is let's connect this OBD, but we know that I'm not getting any power because you turn on the key, there's nothing. So we need to start with the battery first because it's not gonna connect. We have this Launch Creader 919E. As you can see, you put auto detect. It's not connected because I need some power. Battery start on this one. So let's get this jumper. Let's go ahead and connect this. Let's see if there's charge in this car, in this truck. With this one, we go ahead put the positive lead here. I can put it. And then the negative right here. As you can see, it needs a battery. It has 4.7 volts, so that's not good. So first of all, we need to replace this. It's been sitting, this truck been sitting here for a month or so. So let's go ahead and try to start it. First, let's go ahead and connect it to our jumper. Press it on. There you go. As you can see, it starts. Let's go lock this. Let's see if we can start from the other side. Alright, nothing. Let's go ahead. Do it one more time. Alright, let's start it again. Let's disconnect this. Press it on. So you can hear. You got a power right now. Let's go ahead. Start it real quick. There you go. Just leave it on. And let's do an auto detect and hear what's going on. As you can see, this one has it says 2020 Ford F-150. Let's press OK. While we're doing that, let's go ahead and remove the this one here, because you don't want to like overcharge it or something. Alright, so I disconnected that right here. Let me see what's the voltage. So the alternator is good. It's charging 14 volts, but this one still need to charge. We can probably just charge the battery. We can do that, and then we'll start with that one before buying a new battery. From here, let's go ahead, press OK. I'm not gonna turn off the truck because I turned it off a while ago. It's just not enough battery in it. So I'm just gonna get it diagnosed while the car is running. Look at the dash. We don't have any engine light, so it's okay. Not too bad. I'm pretty sure probably just the battery. Look at that, the battery code in there. Seeing a couple codes, and this is most likely because the battery's been dead. If we clear this one, I'm pretty sure everything's gonna be okay, but I will not clear it right now until we get the new battery. Let's see we'll find out here. Everything's fine. All right. So let's see the report. ABS. And that's most likely because, as you can see, missing communication. It's more likely the battery voltage. So body control module, input power supply open. That's most likely the battery as well. This one, of course, it says battery. One start input, same as this one. Alright, so everything is look normal aside for a couple more stuff here showing OCSM, parking aid. This one before vehicle battery right here, and the steering column module. So these are all battery problem. We'll see if we can erase this thing. Go back. Let's see if I can clear codes. Let's go ahead and clear codes. All right. That's good. So everything okay. Let's go ahead, read it again. It's most likely the battery. Okay, let's go ahead, read it again. While we're doing this, let's go ahead, run another check, and it might take a little while. And right now it's looking like there's no code, but at the same time we're gonna get the battery replaced for this one, and or charge it. But once we replace that, then we can say that if we have more codes after that, that will be focusing on the other codes. But right now let's focus on the battery. But it's saying everything's fine, as you can see. And wait a couple more minutes. All right, and still reading. Everything is no problem. Everything is green, and almost done. Health reports, as you can see. There you go. Everything is normal, and we're just gonna go ahead. Before we turn it off, we go ahead. When we turn it off, we'll check the battery again. So we've been running for like 10 minutes, and let's go check it. Turn it off and check it again. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's go ahead. Turn it off. All right. There you go. It's off again. So we need to start with the battery, and let's go ahead check the battery right now. Let's see. We should be able to check how is it performing right now. As you can see, it has 6 volts. It did charge a little bit, but it's not enough. So we're gonna go ahead and get a new battery for this, and should be it. And I'll give you an update once I replace the battery. All right, so now we got a new battery. The new battery should show a good voltage right here. As you can see, you get 12.9 volts. That's what we need. That's pretty good. And we're just gonna go ahead and install it here, and let's go. All right, we're gonna put the bracket for the battery. Make sure it's tight, and try to tug it a little bit. No, that's good. Let's go ahead and put the positive positive terminal. And let's go ahead. All right, so let's go ahead and tighten this. Press the positive, and let's go ahead with the negative. Turn on right here, so you can see there's a flash. The light flashes, and now we're gonna go ahead and start the car. Check it, everything. All right, let's go. Let's go ahead and try to start it. So you can see all the power is on. There you go. It starts pretty good, as you can see. Let's see if we have any lights on. No lights on, but we're still gonna go ahead and check it. And if there's any code, we gotta erase it because sometimes when the battery is disconnected, there's still codes stored in the system. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Put it just on position. And let's go ahead read it. So go ahead and read this. Make sure there's no. Let's go ahead to diagnose. Well, it does automatic scan. Pretty good. Let me go ahead. Alright, just make sure let's go have internet connected to this one before we actually start. Let's go. Let's see if we have internet real quick. Let's go to home and settings. Let's go ahead and go to network. Alright, let's go ahead and find the hotspot first. I'll turn on my hotspot, so make sure we are connected. Let's see. I can find my own hotspot here. There you go. Now it's connected. As you can see, it's connected on top there. Let's go back home and go diagnose again. So it should be an auto detect. Alright, let's go ahead. Continue that. And let's go. Yes. It's loading. Yeah, we got the kids here. Okay, now it's checking everything. So we have a couple codes. As you can see, got a couple codes coming up because of the battery being out for a little while. So we're gonna clear that to make sure that everything is good. Okay. All right. We went back and go ahead. Almost done. As you can see, this one. All right. Now we have ABS because the battery voltage right there, but that's common. Same as this battery voltage, same as this PCM control module, and this one all vehicle battery because we disconnected it. So what we're gonna do is go back and let's go ahead and clear all the codes. Clear the codes, okay, and then now it's clear, everything is good. Let's go ahead start the car. All right, now we start the car. Everything is good, it's working, and we have no codes, and that's it, guys. And everything is running good. Double check all your work. All right, the job is done. It is an F-150 STX. All right. Alright, that's it guys, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.